Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Rupa. Today I'm going to share you one more creative and knowledgeable school English magazine. I already uploaded my favorite magazine in my previous videos. If you want to see, you can check it out in my channel. This is the second magazine, of course, prepared by my student, and its title is School Life. This is index page. This is a vocabulary topic, synonyms in English. These are the rules of capitalization. This is a short story named as An Honest Woodcutter, and the moral of this story is honesty is the best policy. These are few general facts in English which we have to know. For example, the most common adjective used in English is good. This is an article called Save Water. This is a word search game and you can see the answers here. This is a crossword puzzle game on the grammar topic past simple tense. Actually, including word games in school magazines is the best part as it creates interest among readers. This is one more word game, that is unscramble the words. Whenever I conduct this game to my students, they love to participate in it. In order to make these magazines as the best school memory in their school life, I told them to include their school photos in these magazines. And finally, thank you page is must, and you can see my name here. If you want more school magazines, please follow my videos and subscribe to my channel. Let's learn with Rupa.